Before starting the video, I will show you some awesome tricks which I do to charge my whole body with static electricity. So basically we are going to make a device in today's video about how we can charge our whole body with static electricity and zap anyone, shock anyone, and we can become an electric man. So it's an electric tester which indicates the flow of current in a circuit. So let me demonstrate you how does it work basically. So guys, basically an electric tester glows when it finds an AC source of current or DC source of current. So when I switched on the current, as you can see that electric tester is glowing, which is indicating that current is flowing through the our circuit board. Current is flowing, but when I switched it off, no current is flowing. So guys, as you can see, this is an electric tester, and when I touch it, the bulb starts to glow, indicating that my full body is charged with static electricity. So when I touch this tester, the bulb starts to glow. As you can see that the bulb anywhere and show that the bulb is glowing, which indicates that my body is fully charged with static electricity right now. Anywhere in my body. Show that the bulb is glowing. So guys, as you can see that the bulb is glowing, which indicates that current is flowing in my body. My body is charged with static electricity. So now I will be teaching you guys that how you all can charge your body with static electricity and shock anyone. So welcome back to randomized experiments. I am Adarsh, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you can shock people with static electricity. So basically in today's video we'll be making a generator which gives you the ability to charge your whole body with static electricity, and with that you can shock anyone with static electricity very easily. So let's proceed to make, but before that let me make it more clear that this generator isn't going to harm anyone. This will just give a mild shock to anyone whomever the person touches. So let's proceed to make it. It's not at all dangerous, but please be safe while making it and follow all the instruction whatever I tell to you. So please don't forget to watch the don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cool videos. We'll be sharing more cool videos in the future if you subscribe to our channel. So let's start. So guys, this is a 440 kilovolt transformer which converts 440 kilovolts from this side, as you can see this side, and then this is red and green color wires which indicates positive and negative terminals. Okay, positive and negative, and this part converts 440 kilovolts. So if you want to purchase it for making this project, you can easily find it in my description box and go through that and easily purchase it. Here it's a mini switch. As you can see, this is a mini switch we are using for this project. You may use any switch. Now we will choose the red wire and pass it through the first terminal of our switch. So right now what we have to do is we have to make it thin so that it can pass through the first terminal of a switch. So as you can see, so guys, because I don't have a soldering iron, I'll be twisting it in this way. You too can do it if you don't have a soldering iron at home. So just twist it in this manner so that it doesn't comes out. So now what we have to do is we'll have to take another wire of short length. You can see that I have another wire of short length, a red color wire. You can choose anyone, any color. So we'll be passing even this wire with the second terminal of our switch. So as you can see, we'll repeat the same steps, and now you can see that we have completed the circuit here. So now let's move on to next step. So guys, as you can see that we have completed this circuit, and now what next we have to do, we'll be attaching it with a 1.5 volt power supply. So we'll need a cell battery, AA battery, or any battery which is 1.5 volt in nature. So we'll be using this battery. As you can see, this is a 1.5 volts AA battery. So as you can see, this is a positive terminal, so we will connect it with the positive side. So first of all, we need a sharp side of our red wire, I mean positive side. So we'll cut it out. As you can see, we have cut it out, and now we will just twist it so that a sharp end can come out through it and we can easily connect it. So we have twisted and took out a sharp edge from the end of the wire, and now what we will be doing is we'll be attaching it with the positive side of the terminal, and now we'll tape it so that it doesn't come out. So guys, here's the tape, and what we all need to do is just we need to place this right over here and tape this so that it does not comes out and the circuit remains completed for the positive side. And now we will move on to next negative side. As you can see that positive side is ready, and we have green wire as well. So what we'll be doing is we'll place the green wire at the negative side, and now we will use a black tape again and tape it. So as you can see that we have taped positive side as well as the negative side of our negative of our transformer. Sorry for saying negative and generator, it's not a negative and generator, it's a transformer. So as we switch it on, a high amount of voltage is passed through the other terminal, this terminal of our transformer. So let me show you guys. So guys, please increase the volume of your device. You'll be able to hear the zapping sounds coming out through the end of the transformer, which indicates that because it converts 3 volts to 440 kilovolts, so now it's converting 150 kilovolts by using 1.5 volts battery. So as you can see that current is being converted. So now next step is, let's move on to next step. So guys, now we will use a big size tape, and we'll place the battery on our generator in this manner, and we'll tape it in this way. As you can see, we'll be taping it in this way for safety issues, and to let things be in their position like battery and switch. We don't want them to reassemble, so we'll be taping it so that they remain on their place. So as you can see, this is a switch, so we'll tape it also so that it remains on its place. So as you can see that I am taping it also, and now I'm using another piece of tape to. And now guys, as it is ready, let me show you how does it works. So this is fully ready. I've covered whole part of our device. Now let me switch it on, and let's see how it works. So guys, you'll be hearing some zapping sounds. This indicates that a high amount of current is flowing through this transformer. So as you can see that a transformer is ready, and now I'll be showing you how to use it. So this is switch, and as you can see I've connected a long black color wire with this, and these are the zapping sounds as I already mentioned before. And now what we need to do is, now I will show you how you can use it. So we'll be holding it like this, and here a socks. Then you can see that two terminals are coming, two wires are coming. One will be in contact with our skin, so we'll keep it in contact with our skin, and we'll put this device inside our socks. As you can see, we'll be putting this device inside our socks, and the other wire, as you can see, there is one more wire coming out. So as you already saw that we have two wires were coming. So now we'll be wearing shoe. You just have to wear your shoe, and now we'll take a wire cutter. Just tie this lace. Let me tie this lace. And now we'll be using a wire cutter and cut the rest part of the wire because we don't need it. So we'll be taking a wire cutter and cut the most of the part from this wire because we don't need. So now I'll be taking out a sharp edge from the wire. As you can see, this is a sharp edge. Now we have to place it below our leg. So I'll be using a black electric tape, as you can see. And now I'll be just sticking like this so that it has to be in contact with her ground, and the other wire with her skin, as you can see. And now let me switch it on, and after switching it on I'll show you something very interesting. As you can see, this is a tester. So now when I'll hold this tester like this and I'll place it on the glass, you can see that the tester is glowing, indicating my body is fully charged with static electricity. So guys, now I'll be doing it with my hand. So I'll keep this tester on this glass, and now once I touch this tester, you can see how the bulb glows. So whenever the bulb glows, it indicates that electric current is passing through my hand. As you can see how awesome it's, and now I can even shock anyone whomever I wish by just touching them. Isn't it too awesome? Took a lot of time to make and edit and complete the whole video and export the whole video. It was a lot time consuming work. So it took around 3 days to complete the whole video. So it's my request, if you guys like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more cool videos on these kind of topics. We'll soon meet in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and don't move out of your home without any reason. So bye bye, take care.